Arjuna is asking the Supreme Personality of Godhead, you teach me. That is perfect teaching. If you learn something from Krishna or from his representative, that is perfect. That is perfect knowledge. All other knowledge that you gather, that cannot be perfect. Because unless you are perfect, how you can give perfect knowledge? So every one of us is imperfect because we have got imperfect senses. So with imperfect knowledge, just like the so-called scientists, philosophers, they propose their theories, I think it may be like this, perhaps. These are not knowledge. This is all nonsense. You must speak definitely. If you know, just like the Shastra says, Jalajanamulakhani, definitely 900,000 species of life within the water. Why? You could say about 9 lakhs. No, 9 lakhs. Not about, more or less, no. Not like that. That is knowledge. That is perfect. Jalajanamulakhani, sthavara lakha vinsati. And the trees, plants, they are 2 millions. Never says approximately, maybe, perhaps. No. This is all nonsense. We don't accept such knowledge. But in the material world, these things are going on. Any rascal will give some theory that will be accepted and he will be given, offered Nobel Prize. So that is condemned in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Savai varaha ustrai ustakharai samstuta purusha pasu. So, according to Bhagavad direction, these Nobel Prize winners are exactly like dogs, camels, hogs, Savir, Varaha, Ustra, and asses. And they are praised by similar animals. That's all. The Nobel Prize winner and the Nobel Prize giver, both of them are like dogs, hogs, animals, and asses. Yes. This is fact. A person has written some theory, evolution of chemicals, and all rubbish things. It is very nice thing for these so-called dogs and camels, but those who have got eyes to see, one who has heard from Krishna, he will understand this is nonsense. How from chemical you can produce life? And when he is asked, well sir, if I give you these chemicals, can you produce life? Immediately he says, that I cannot say. Why? It is actually happened in California University. One big professor came lecture and he said that by combination of these 4 chemicals, life has begun. So one of our students, he is also doctor in chemistry, he asked immediately, sir, if I give you all these chemicals, whether you can produce life? The answer was, that I cannot say. Why? That I cannot say. Then why you are proposing all this nonsense? If you do not know, definitely, now we are trying in future, we shall do. This is going on, in future. But it is common saying, trust no future, however pleasant. Why future? Now, what you have learned, speak that. Therefore, Arjuna is asking, not to a third class so-called philosopher and chemist and economist, but to Krishna. Krishna. Because whatever answer Krishna will give, that is fact. And Shastra means the things which have been spoken by Krishna. That is Shastra. And Guru means who speaks. Guru means who speaks on behalf of Krishna. Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. This is so Krishna is asked, and the answers for Krishna, which he gives, that is final. No experiment, no future. Whatever answer he gives, that is final. Otherwise, why people read Bhagavad Gita so carefully? Not now. Thousands of years. Thousands of years. Not only in India, in other countries also. So, answers, real answers are there.